Welcome back to Be Fabulous Makeup. Today we will be doing empties and kind of talking about those products and if we're going to repurchase them or not, what I thought about them, and just giving you guys some options for skincare and makeup products that actually worked for me or did not work for me. So this bag is full of empties. So we're going to go through each product that I have emptied out and talk about them, and I'll let you know what I thought of the products and if I will be repurchasing those products. So let's get started. So first, I have emptied out this Neutrogena Hydro Gel. It's a moisturizer. So I have emptied this baby all the way out. And this has hyaluronic acid in it, and when I say that this is such a good moisturizer, it not only gives you that moisture all day, all through the night, and when you apply it at nighttime, but it gives your face that roundness and the plumpness that it needs. So this is definitely a repurchase product and one that I will continue to repurchase. This moisturizer works great, and it is found in the drugstores. You can also purchase it at Walmart. So if you're looking for a really hydrating primer that actually works, I would suggest the Neutrogena Hydro Gel moisturizer. It works really, really great. Okay, and I have another moisturizer here, and it's the Garnier Clearly Brighter, and it has an SPF of 30, and it says that it's anti-sun damage daily moisturizer. I have emptied this product out. This moisturizer works really good as well. So if you're wanting a moisturizer that really works, it's kind of tacky on the face, and it has an SPF of 30. So if you're not wanting to do makeup that day, but you want to make sure you always moisturize, so I would say that this would be a good protectant for you. It's also a moisturizer, so you have the 2-in-1 deal here. So this worked really, really great, and this is something that I would keep in my collection as well, and this would be another repurchase. So on to the next. Well, let's keep in tone with the moisturizer. So I guess you guys can see I love the moisturizers, the skincare. I'm all about that. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift moisturizer. And as you see, I have emptied this one out as well. I'm already working on my next jar. And this moisturizer is a volume filler as well. So as we age, our skin does lose elasticity. It uses a plumpness, and this works really well. You apply it in the morning, and you also apply it at night before bed, and it gives your face as well the fullness that you're needing, as well as moisturizing. So I normally use these two together, use both of them, especially during the day. I would apply both of these as my moisturizer throughout the day, but for night, I would just apply this one. So this works really, really well, and like I said, I'm already working on my next bottle, so my next jar. So this is definitely a good moisturizer. You're looking for moisturizers that are reasonable, and I think both of these were under $20, so these work really, really well if you want to give them a try. If you're looking for a really good moisturizer, you don't want to spend $60, $70. You know, these are at the drugstore. And I have another moisturizer. Well, it's a spot corrector. It's the L'Oreal Dark Spot Corrector, and it's like a serum, a treatment. And I have used all of this up. Not sure if this really did anything for me, if I really saw results from this, so I probably would not repurchase this product. I would go for the Garnier because I did see some results from this one, and this also corrects sun damage, and it works on your dark spots as well. So I would go with this one first if you're looking for something like that, rather than go with this. And I know I emptied out more than 2 of these. These are the e.l.f. brow gels, come on now, $1, right? And I have emptied out probably 4 of these. I just don't know what I did with the other ones, but these work really, really well. I will continue to repurchase these. These, like I said, are $1. They're the brow gels from e.l.f. So this is definitely another repurchase. And I've talked about this before. This is the Maybelline Master Camo Color Corrector. This is so good. I mean, and I think it was like $8. And if you have dark circles or hyperpigmentation on your face that you have to use color correctors for, this is a lightweight color corrector. And look at the applicator on that. I would say that this one is one that I would continue to repurchase. I have ran out of this, and I am headed back to repurchase this. This is really good. Maybelline has stepped up the game as far as their products for 2017, and this is a great color corrector. I've used up 2 of the NYX Dewy Finish setting sprays. These are really good setting sprays. I think they ran in Ulta. They are like $8, and $7.99. So they remind you of a Fix Plus. So if you're looking for a good setting spray, but you're not wanting to spend over $20 on it, this would be a good option for you. It works just as well. I would repurchase these products again. So try out if you're looking. I had a smaller size of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and a larger size that I have used up. This will continue to be a part of my everyday makeup routine. So if you have not tried these, I would suggest it. Like I said, this is in rotation. This is a definite repurchase all the time. So I've emptied these out. Found another e.l.f. gel here. And I have emptied out one of my Pro Longwears by MAC. Anybody who have used this product knows how great it is. So this is definitely a repurchase, and I can also put this in my Back to MAC program, which, you know, if you use up 6 of MAC products, you can take the empties back and get a free lipstick or a free lip gloss. So save your MAC products, don't throw them out, because you can go back and get a free lipstick or lip gloss once you empty out 6 products. Take them back to the store. So that's always a good one, and that will continue to be a part of my collection. And here I have the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. A lot of people use this, and I have it on now, and I'm working on another one, a brand new one, the Lash Sensational Mascara. This is definitely one that will stay with me, that I will continue to repurchase. It's a great mascara at the drugstore. Next, I have the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Really good moisturizing primer. I have not repurchased it yet, but I am. This works really great. If you're looking for a good primer for everyday use, that's really good under your foundation, and that's going to keep your face moisturized as well. This is a really good one. And here I have my Sugar Advanced Therapy Fresh. If you haven't used these, they're at Sephora. They are a bit pricey. They work really good. I wouldn't say that they are the best. I did repurchase another one though. I am working on that one now. So, but if you're looking just for a good conditioning lip balm, it works really good. But don't get it twisted. There are other options out there, you know, that are less of the amount than this one. Next, I have my Old Faithful Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I have emptied this baby out. I do have another one that I am working on right now. This is a great foundation. If you're looking for that full coverage, extremely full coverage foundation that is lightweight, not cakey looking, and gives you the most fantastic finish, this is it. And if you guys didn't know, they have a concealer now that goes with this foundation. Have not tried it, but I am going to. So this is definitely my go-to Holy Grail Ride or Die foundation right here. Love this. My Urban Decay. And I have emptied out my matte and poreless Maybelline Fit Me in 330. This is a beloved foundation by so many, and it's only what, $6 or $7 in a drugstore. You cannot beat this with a bat. It is a full coverage matte foundation that works really, really well. I have repurchased this one as well already. So if you are in the market for a good full coverage foundation, but you want a reasonable price, you cannot beat this baby right here. Our beloved Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless works great. And I have also emptied out my LA Girl concealer in, what is this? Okay, I can't see my shade, but I have emptied out my concealer here in this, and I have tons of these already in my collection. But I do use this to sharpen up under my brows when I'm done with them, and I also use this as a base for my eyeshadow, and then set it with like a tone-like eyeshadow to set the concealer. But so this is definitely one that stays in the collection at all times, and this concealer is like $3 at the local beauty supply. They all carry LA colors. So these are all great products, and as you can see, a lot of them are the skincare products are drugstore, so they're really affordable. Mascara drugstore, foundation drugstore. We did have some high-end products, but there are also some drugstore options like our setting sprays here. You know, this one I think is over $20, but this one is like $8. So this works just as great. So watching our empties video. See you next time.